Hollywood Studios Day. Today is our Hollywood Studios Day. We got up super early. We were able to get Genie Plus. I got that. I bought that last night at midnight. You do? And so we have that, and so we got a Slinky Dog reservation, and I bought Mickey and Minnie's. However, we could not get Rise, so we're gonna go try and see how long the wait is to rope drop, and we're either gonna rope drop Rise or we're gonna go to Smuggler's Run and do that first. Zebby obviously can't really ride much here at all, but Sebastian can actually ride a couple of things here. So we're gonna see what we can work out and get on and make the best of our time. But it is not even, the park's not even open yet. It's 7:50, so like the park opens at 9, and our entrance was supposed to be 8:30, but we're already like walking back towards Star Wars Land. So hopefully we can make good time and do productive things today. So that's the goal.
Opening this at 8:30.
Okay. Bashy, is that so cool? Do you see Buzz? Do you want to get in this line? He said, where's Woody? I don't know. Actually, I do know where Woody is. We'll go see him. He's at the front of Toy Story Land. And Jesse's up there too. And Rex. Oh, are you waving to Buzz? Say hi, Buzz. Can you wave? Hi. Buzz Lightyear's getting wet. Yeah, he is. Okay, so again, if you watched the last video, I have to sometimes put these in instead of just text because there's like too much to explain and I don't want to type it out and make you read it. So this video especially is like all over the place because it was pouring down rain the entire day. I mean, like, not just Florida casual rain, like it literally was raining from the time we got there at 7:30 in the morning until we left at like 6 o'clock at night. It was just pouring down rain. So what we did was we got into the park and we went back and we got in line for Rise because there was like no one in line, like it was a short line. And so we set up a rider swap and me and Sebastian got in line. Then it was like we were in line, we had moved a little bit, and then all of a sudden we hear the announcement, sorry, this ride is closed, blah, blah, blah. So we waited for that for like one cycle, and I was like debating, like, do we get out of line, do we not, like, what do we do, what's the best use of our time, etc. And after they announced it like 3 times, I finally was just like, whatever. Sebastian was like, I want to get out of line. Like, he was bored. We weren't moving. We were just standing in the rain. He didn't have a rain jacket. I didn't have the umbrella. So we ended up just like saying screw that. Got out of line for Rise and went and met back up with Zach. However, when we met back up with Zach, we were like gonna go do Millennium Falcon, but the line and the wait time for that was already like 100 minutes. And we were like, okay.
What?
And so because that line was so long too, we were like, okay, well, like, what do we do? So we ended up in Toy Story Land. We had to go to the bathroom. We were trying to get a snack for both the kids. They were hungry. So after we went to the bathroom, we were like, okay, let's just get in line for Alien Swirling Saucers just to get on a ride that everybody can ride. Thinking Zebby could ride it. It was not a no height requirement, so Zebby could not ride it. So after waiting in line for that, we ended up having to like rider swap on that, take turns. So we both rode that, but that ride didn't open until 8:30. So mind you, we got there at 7:30, and that ride didn't open until early entry. So we could not even ride that. So we had to wait till 8:30, finally got on that. Zach and Sebastian rode, and then me and Sebastian rode. And then after we did that, we went over into Toy Story Mania and Alien Swirling Saucers. So you're going to see all of those, and then I may have to come back in and fill in more details depending on, I don't know what I actually filmed that day, so we're talking through it as we edit. So, yeah, but that's kind of what happened in our morning. So we ended up not even being able to ride a ride until 8:30, and we got there at 7:30, so we wasted the whole first hour of us even being in the park. In the rain, just, like, wasting away. We could have been sleeping, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the vlog and let you guys see us riding alien swirling saucers. Woohoo! Go Bashi! Go Bashi! Hey baby! Was that so fun? Yeah, we can ride it. Go with Daddy. Go to the exit. Go to the exit. What'd you say? Me too. Woohoo!
Attention toys, for your safety, please remain fully seated.
The alien said we. Ready? We're gonna see Daddy in a second. Ready? We're gonna see Daddy. Say hi, Dad. You see the line? Look how many cool things are in here. You do see Rex. Look at that. You see the dice? And the big crayon? Yep. What do you see? That's Monopoly. That's like what you have at home. Okay, so to catch you guys up, when we first got here, we went straight to Rise and we thought, great, we're gonna get on. We set up a rider swap and me and Bash got in line and we were like near the front, thought it was gonna be great. Then the ride went down because it's pouring down rain and we weren't sure when it was gonna reopen. So we said, screw this, we're not wasting all this time. So we got out of the line and Sebastian just didn't even want to wait, but he was excited for Toy Story Land. So we went over there and we were able to get on the alien ride. He rode, Zebby is too short, so Sebastian rode with Zach first and then rode with me. And then we rode the shooting game and that was super, super fun. Yeah.
You didn't want
I did. But now it is 9:45 and there's supposed to be an Incredibles parade at 9:45, so we're gonna see the Incredibles and then we have our lightning lane for Mickey and Minnie's at 10:30 and Slinky at 12:30. So we're kind of just like in like a weird waiting window right now until we can book more like walk-on rides. And this park is just harder because like there's not as much that the kids can ride, and on top of that it's also pouring down rain. So
What are they pouring down?
well, it's drizzling. It's Florida rain, but it's like kind of pretty consistent. It's not just like a rain shower and then sunny. Like it's just kind of rain all day. And it's obviously not normal Florida weather, so it's freezing, like cold outside plus raining. So we're gonna make the best of the situation we're dealt. But right now we're hopefully gonna see the Incredibles. And then we can hopefully go ride Mickey and Minnie's. So, are you having a good day?
No.
Oh, you're not? Why not?
Because I didn't get why with
I think the Incredibles is coming in a minute. Yay!
They will go away.
This baby just wants to eat all day long. Don't use Evers. You just want to eat.
Oh boy. You're.
How's your day?
Good.
Hopefully.
Be nice if I could find a poncho. It'd be nice if I could
Yeah,
find...
we're trying to find a poncho for Sebastian, but we haven't had luck finding anything we've been looking for.
I said, do y'all have any ponchos? She said no. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, you and her.
Yeah, exactly. But. Yay! Yay! Hey! Hey! I love you. Goose, 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 goose. Mommy, say cheese. All right, smile.
In just a few moments, we're gonna head back to the
Ooh, look. He is shaking his ears. You want to take a picture, Pluto? All right, let's turn around and look. Hey, come here. She likes your curls. Can you say thank you? She has a big crown. Oh. You like the house? Yeah?
We like it because it's made out of butterfly.
See the butterfly? That's so cool. You're like starstruck.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture with her?
Hiya, folks! Hello there! How you doing? Hey, Liam! Sure to take good care of our friends! What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! Someone hit that cat switch! Let's get that rolling play! It'll send me! They're running wild!
Oh yeah. It's the driver. Oh, he does have sand, but you can't go under the rope. Okay, we have to stay on this side. You see his feet small?
Yeah.
And an umbrella, that's right. Sunglasses and a drink.
Every 15 minutes to make sure you see.
Oh yeah, we don't want to let him get sunburned. He does have fins. Yep, we have to make everything in here now. Can you see me? Hello? Are you excited? Are you excited? What are we riding? What are we riding? Slinky dog. We're gonna go so fast. Woohoo!
I might not like it.
You will. It'll be fun. It's just gonna be fast. I'm excited. Here we go! Woo! Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Woo!
very special day. Well, for the first time in
Forever!
Elsa and I will be celebrating the Arendelle Festival. Yay!
Woohoo!
Oh my God.
Talk about my toe. No.
Focus! Grandpa, the king of the thrones, fixed on his head but removed all memories of.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play.
It's Crystal!
Hey, Anna was wondering if you've seen Elsa yet? We don't want her to miss the Arendelle Festival.
I'm your uncle. I mean, yeah, radio, Mr. Reindeer King.
Just Kristoff. And you know, I couldn't help overhearing your story.
I couldn't help but notice that you're here to buy. What starts in June?
Oh, you don't know why.
Who is it?
Always love the idea of summer and sun and all things hot.
Who is that? Are you ready to see Lightning McQueen? And Mater, you'll see Mater on the screen.
And now, the car champion you've all been waiting for.
Hello, Mater! In the end, he's the pony champion. Everybody shout pony!
Pony!
Seven-time Piston Truck champion and Mater's best friend, Lightning McQueen!
Ka-chow!
Some introduction. Well, nothing's too good.
Racer because I had a great teacher, Doc Hudson. That's why I started this
Why
racing
he is
academy.
dog?
So I can pay that forward to all of you.
Buddy,
Yes, Mater?
Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or three.
That's right. He taught me how to drive backwards, how to tip tractors, how to be a great friend.
We can't touch
Now, winning is great and all.
'Cause we can't.
But Doc taught me at the end of the day, without
He's
your
cool.
What's happening?
They're racers.
The system to change your stats.
Hey, let's change.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode.
Activating team mode. Mr. McQueen.
Yay! Woohoo!
Through the fields of our paths. Mickey and the Roadster Racers.
Woo!
I like
I know.
Mickey and the Roadster Racers? You do? Yeah? Well, did you know Mickey just got a Tesla? Yeah, you'll see that in the newest episode. He just got it. What about puppy dog pals? Did we see puppy dog pals? Yeah? I like puppy dog pals. That might be my favorite. What about this? Oh, we got some rhythm. I like it. You can throw a swag in if you want. While you pop a bubble or two. Yeah. Okay, new move, y'all. Mom and Dad know this one. Do the twist. Good twisting. And in honor of Galaxy Red, for Doc McDuffin. Stretch. You might have to say Buzz Lightyear after this. Amazing stretching, Doc. I feel better already. Thank you so much, Doc McStuffins. And when the beat drops, we're gonna go crazy. Here we go. Oh yeah, come on now. I told y'all we came to party. Now our next Disney Junior friend made a tuna, matata, a wonderful phrase. All the way from the Pride Land, make some noise for Timon.
He's from Mikey.
Yeah, we'll break it down. Oh yeah. Looks like we got some people driving a race car, Mickey. Wow.
Okay, so at this point, it was pretty late, and we were all soaking wet from the rain. We had a nice time at the play and dance thing. That was by far their favorite part of the day. They loved jumping and dancing and seeing all the characters. So much fun. After we did that, we pretty much just had to wait to ride our rock and roller coaster. We had a Lightning Lane reservation, but it was like later, like just slightly later, so we had a little bit of time to kill. We had decided that Zach wanted just to get pizza at the hotel, so he was going to get pizza for him and the boys. But the one thing that I wanted at Hollywood Studios, well, two things. I got my Wookiee cookie from Backlot Express, but the other thing I wanted was a Woody's grilled cheese with some potato barrels, and I hadn't gotten that yet. So I said, well, I'm going to get that as a gluten-free sandwich, and then you guys can just get one pizza and share it in the room. And that's what we did. So we walked back over to Toy Story Land for me to get my sandwich. I ate that. We kind of hung out, whatever, walked back, and waited until it was time to get on Rock and Roller Coaster. And then as soon as we rode Rock and Roller Coaster, we headed out of the park. We were exhausted, soaking wet, and yeah. So thank you for watching this vlog. This was, I think, the fourth video that I'm uploading. This was our Hollywood Studios day. I still have our second Magic Kingdom day, Animal Kingdom, Resort day. So I think there's still a good 3 more videos coming. So stay tuned for those. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.